This is going to blow your mind. AI and ML are transforming the world, and these libraries are at the heart of it all. First up, we have TensorFlow. Developed by Google, TensorFlow is a powerhouse for deep learning. It's flexible, scalable, and perfect for everything from research to production. Next is PyTorch. Created by Facebook, PyTorch is known for its dynamic computation graphs. This makes debugging a breeze and is ideal for projects requiring quick iterations. Then there's Keras. Keras is user-friendly and integrates seamlessly with TensorFlow. It's perfect for beginners and experts alike, offering simplicity without sacrificing power. Scikit-learn is another gem. It's great for data mining and analysis, and it integrates well with other Python libraries like NumPy and SciPy. Last but not least, we have OpenCV. This one's essential for computer vision tasks from image processing to real-time video analysis. So there you have it. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned pro, these libraries are your keys to unlocking AI and ML potential. Get coding and let the innovation begin.